Okay, well, I just wanted to do an update of what I have in my car now. See, I changed out that Sony Explode that I had for this 12-inch power base. I'll get it cranking here for a minute and see what's really going on. And then I've got this 600 watt Pioneer I have now. And then I still got my speakers up there. But then I went in and put these little tiny 300 watt speakers in here. They really add a lot of trouble to it. That's about it for now. Like I said, let's crank this up and see what it'll do. Still rattles pretty good. Yeah, I think it's a lot. I think this power base sub is a lot better than this Sony Explode I just took out. So yeah. Let's watch for a minute. Alright, well that's it for all. That's all for now.